My coffee's finishing up. Oh my goodness. It's chilly outside. Buster and I just came in from feeding the birds. And it's actually chilly. It's damp and chilly, which I love it. I was just complaining yesterday that it was hot. So what we have on tap for today is I gotta go pick up my Walmart grocery order. I ordered all my like bacon things. Getting ready for Saturday night. The TV guy was supposed to come today, but he emailed me and said he couldn't come today. Would Friday work? And I was like, that's fine. I've sent him like 3 emails since then, like letting him know it's fine. Could he give me an approximate time? And I haven't heard anything. So, which I kind of feel better that he's coming tomorrow instead, because James will be here. And I mean, it's a strange man coming into my home. It's kind of scary these days, isn't it? It's so sad that we have to be suspicious all the time, but that's the world we live in. You have to be, you know, be safe rather than sorry. So, I think tomorrow is when I'm actually gonna do like my bacon and stuff and making the caramel for the pies. Today I'm going to finish editing I'm gonna start and finish and get my home tour uploaded. So that'll be coming out on Sunday. Y'all would have already seen that, I think. Anyway, filming all these Vlogmas videos gets confusing sometimes. But I think y'all would have already seen my home tour. I think that one's going to go up before this one. That's the way I have it in my head, I think. Anyway, regardless, I'll be working on my home tour video today. Thank y'all for being so sweet about that. I am going to do a home tour because I had a lot of people wanting that. And I understand if it's not something you're interested in. But I am going to do it and just kind of walk y'all through. I have made some changes here and there. And the nighttime will be set to music with lights, you know, all the glow at night. So I really like that, and I hope y'all enjoy it. But I'm going to go drink my coffee, get up and get my bed made, pull myself together, go pick up my groceries. I need to go to Hobby Lobby because I need to get some of those icing bags, like for the decorators icing. I have tons of tips and stuff because I thrifted a whole nother set of them, but I don't have enough bags. And I like to have enough bags so we can have different colors and there'll be enough for everybody. So I need to go get some of those. So I'm going to go get some from Hobby Lobby. I need to take that stuff back to Hobby Lobby. And I need to go by Lowe's and get some paint so I can paint those little dove ornaments and that present that I thrifted, that piece. I want to get that painted. So a couple errands to run today, a couple thrift flips, and then who knows what else. I don't know, but I'm not going to the thrift store today. I'm not going to do that. I have big plans for Saturday, so I'm just going to kind of not do that. But this is my mug I'm going to be drinking from this morning. So let me get over there, get snuggled up to my Buster, and start working on a video. And I've been in the comments. I'm trying to stay caught up on my comments, but I have a feeling that the next couple of days I might get behind, so be patient with me. All right, let me go drink my coffee. I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Look at there, sweet Buster. Buster, you ready to get on Mommy's lap? Okay, so we are going to try to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to run to Hobby Lobby for my return and get a couple things of lights. I want to run in Lowe's, get some spray paint. He's sniffing. Buster, get in your bed. And then I want to pick up my groceries all while I'm out so I can make 1 trip and be done. Can it be done? I've got a little bit over an hour. I think I can do it. Let's go. All right, we managed to get everything done. Just picked up my groceries, headed back to the house, and I'm gonna see if I don't know if I'm gonna bake anything today or not. I may just wait and do all that tomorrow. We'll see. I'm kind of like itching to do something. Maybe I'll do some bacon and then I'll just boil my caramel tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see what I get into. But we're gonna do some thrift flips. I got my spray paint, and I went ahead and picked up 2 packs of lights from Lowe's, thinking, you know, they were regular price. I got up there to check out and they were only 99 cents. From $3.48 to 99 cents. I was like, yes. But y'all know what I find so odd about Hobby Lobby? They do not have like the wax paste. They have the liquid wax, like the little folk art version of antiquing wax. But they don't have like the wax, the dark wax in the paste form. So I should have picked that up at Lowe's. I looked at it and I thought, oh, I'll probably find it at Hobby Lobby. No, they don't have it. So that's okay. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to use it on that thrift flip today, but that's for my little sheep lamp. I'm going to need it, the paste. So that's okay. We'll save that for another day. But let me get home and get my groceries unloaded. How perfect is this setup? So, champagne bronze. That's what I'm going to be using. Got my handy dandy little spray, and I'm going to start by painting the bottoms. I'm going to go ahead and paint this one gold too, just to see. You can always change it, just paint. Is the hard part of thrift flips, is waiting for them to dry. So here is this beautiful dove. Y'all, it already looks so much better gold, but I don't know if you can tell, it has like some crackling. So what I want to do is I'm going to take my wax and go over it and see if I can like bring out some of the detail. Now, I didn't realize it until I painted it. It had a big old chip right there. That doesn't bother me. I don't mind. But I think I am going to kind of like add some wax to it. And then here's one of the little dove ornaments. I might put some wax on it. The other two I had to like, there was a couple spots to touch up. So I may put wax on both of these and just kind of see how it looks. I mean, can we really go wrong with wax? I don't think so. And like, and then I'm gonna, for the dove, for the string, I have this gold that I'm going to restring it so I can hang it. But I think I might get, let me see, I'm gonna get a brush. I'm gonna use a brush to kind of get down in the areas. So it's not gonna take much. And then I'll just kind of dab it off with my paper towel. So, but it's got like a crackle effect kind of on it. I think this will just add some texture to it. It just deepens it up, honestly. It's one of those subtle changes, but it makes a big difference. I know it's not the best lighting, but Okay, so this is with the wax versus without the wax. See the difference? There is a color difference, and it just makes it a little more rich looking to me. Yeah, I like that. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing with this. I just think it'll look better, especially the wings. Right, I like that. I like that a lot. Let me go take these outside. I'm gonna get my sealer, my lacquer. I'm probably gonna do some polyacrylic. And let me take these outside and get them sealed up. I'm gonna use this polyacrylic clear mat to kind of just seal in the wax. But out here you can see the difference. That's with it. This is without it. Let me show y'all. Do it like this. You see the difference? This is with, without. So I'm just gonna use this. All right, we'll just let it dry, and then we'll get them, the string put on it and hung up, and then I'll find a plot spot for that. Oh, I love that. I'm glad I do the wax. It just makes it look so much older. Funny. I don't want to look no older, but I love it when my stuff looks older. Isn't that crazy? It's kind of messed up, ain't it? Oh well. Let me wash my hands, get this wax off of it. I've just about got, which y'all would have already seen, I've just about got my home tour done. I've just got to get a couple of spots for some night shots, and then it'll be done. So that makes me feel good. Home tours are really easy for me. I don't mind doing them. I like doing them, and I like watching them. I need to sweep my floors. Lord. All right, I'm gonna go get back in the recliner with James. With Buster, I need to call James. It's when your brain gets ahead of your mouth. It's been a very chill day today. These doggone thrift flips take forever because the dry time, and then it's not like the perfect paint weather outside, so that affects it and makes it take longer too. So hopefully y'all won't think it's boring. It's just one of those days, but your girl's got to stay out of the thrift store. I know it's been good. Oh, that is a Waterford crystal clock. It does not work. That is a Shannon crystal watch, which somebody said is from Ireland. Just like Waterford is from Ireland, that's one from Ireland. The Waterford one is worth more than the other one is. The Waterford one, I Google lensed it, and they're going for like $60. The other one is going for like $30. And then the little brass clock that I said, oh, I'm probably just going to put some antiquing wax. Not antique, but I was going to do some rub and buff over to cover up the floral. I went ahead and Google lensed it. And it's a vintage, expensive clock, so I'm not going to fool with it. I just set it in the guest room, but who knew? I didn't know, but y'all are always teaching me so much. I mean, I'd heard of Waterford Crystal. That I heard about and knew. But the Shannon one, I didn't know that was like a Waterford. That was just a name brand. And y'all always teaching me so much stuff, so thank you. And it seems like everybody's favorite was the McCoy bowl, the green lantern, and the crystal clocks. Those were like the top three that everybody really loved. And then I had some of y'all was everything. The whole thrift haul y'all loved. So, yeah. I've had some really amazing thrift hauls. I'm just blown away, really, really blown away, because If you're a thrifter, you know it's not always like this. But that's why you have to take advantage of it when it happens like this. Because you might go in there for days, weeks, even months and not score. It is very rare to have the amount of items I've had per thrift haul to be from one trip. You know what I'm saying? I guess the mama did bring me luck. I need to remind her that she's got to start coming more. I need her luck. But yeah. All right, I'm just jabbering now, but I did want to tell you about that. Y'all were so informative, very informative. I appreciate it. So after I got all the little painting done, the wax done, and sealing it with the polyacrylic, I let it dry. I brought it back inside, these little doves, and now I'm trying to thread this gold ribbon through those little bitty loops that are on the back of this dove. And once I could get it started, it went pretty easy, but I was literally having to, it was like threading a needle. So you'll see me take the gold string up, and I'm just kind of like doing it in my mouth to kind of get it all together, because this string does fray on the ends. So I was having to kind of do it like I was threading a needle, but then it worked out perfectly. And I love the gold string, and I just really love how these turned out. They just they look so much better in my opinion, and I'm always amazed anytime I do a thrift flip, just the difference that paint itself, but then you add the wax, it can just take a piece and just take it up to another level. And I just love how these turned out, and I will show you how they look on the little tree. And that little tree just came together so nice. But these were very easy thrift flips. Anybody could do them, and look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now this is where I decided to put the dove underneath the little table where I have my Christmas tree. And you see the present there, but it does find a new home. I got a great suggestion for it, and I will show that in an upcoming vlog. But this is what it looks like. And then here is what the little doves look like, and I just think they're perfect. So thank y'all for hanging out with me again for another day of Vlogmas. Come back and see me tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Bye, y'all.